Hello, everybody. My name is Kevin Zorbach. I am from Baltimore, Maryland, and I am a junior at the University of Maryland. I'm currently a civil engineering major, but I was originally a mechanical engineering major when I started here at the University of Maryland. I switched before my junior year in order to further explore one of my main passions in life, which is sustainability. This is my portfolio profile where I hope to showcase the many projects I've worked on at the University of Maryland that'll be relevant to my future employment. Here is just a quick introduction to myself. And here, if we go to portfolio, you'll see a couple projects that I've worked on while I've been here at the University of Maryland. This is an oversand vehicle that I constructed with the help of a team in ENES 100, which is an introduction engineering course. Basically, every team in the course was given a different task for their OSV to complete. Ours was to locate a reservoir of water in the middle of a rocky terrain with no coordinates or anything. The OSV would have to use these sensors to track the water. Once the OSV reaches the reservoir, it needed to actually extract a sample of the water and run a couple tests on it. It tested the color of the water and the salinity. That was a super interesting project, one of my favorites that I've worked on while I've been here at the University of Maryland. I learned a ton about coding, programming, circuitry, construction, 3D printing. It really encapsulated everything. I also have a nuclear energy podcast I recorded in ENC 215, which is Engineering for Sustainability. I'm a huge supporter of nuclear energy, so this was a really fun project to discuss my thoughts on the topic and share my opinions, and also was a great chance to work with a group and coordinate. I also have a set of instructions that I wrote for my technical writing course that details how to create a golf divot tool using CAD software and how to 3D print it. I wrote the instructions so that anyone could follow the instructions. They don't have to be an expert in CAD or 3D printing, which was a difficult task, but I feel like I did a good job with it in the end, and I learned a lot about writing instructions and writing professional documents. Overall, I hope you enjoy my portfolio. It really shows who I am as a student and as a person, and I hope you have a good day. Thank you.